Joyquilts are Dawson, Alberta. Today we're quilting a quilt with polysheen thread and a fireside backing, which is a little bit different. Different backings will give you different results. Fireside is a little bit stretchy, kind of like a minky quality, which is the one with the kind of bubbles in it. The trick to this one is that you mount it on the frame with the salvages towards the outside, so then the stretch goes east and west rather than north and south. Because if your stretch goes north and south, you're going to have some flagging underneath the quilt and could potentially cause some problems. Different kinds of backing require different treatments. Our favorite probably is going to be batik because it has the least give. It kind of stays right where you put it. But you can use all kinds of different things for backing and with great success. This is a jelly roll quilt, which means it's 2.5-inch pre-cut strips, and they've done it as a jelly roll raise, which means they just basically keep stripping them together till they get to the length they want, then they cut and they go to the next row and continue. You don't pay any attention to where they intersect or anything along the way. So it's kind of a fun quilt. You can just really go fast. Sometimes it's called the mile a minute, so that's pretty cool too. This is done all in batiks, which are always really nice to work with. Another interesting factor, once you have these quilts on here, that floating the top gives you a little bit more option to check what your product is doing underneath. Sometimes you'll find the batting gets a little squishy, or the backing will ride up a little bit and not unfold as evenly as you would like to see. So the nice thing about this is that you can get right in there and check on it. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this up now so you can see. We've got complete access to everything under there. Just give it a little tug where it needs it. So that's nice. And then we can go to the other side and tug it down this side. Another trick we have is we have we can pull this up. We put pins in it from the very beginning to see where our row should end. And it's pretty much right on. If we check it over, and we can take it back here, the row in front of here, check it on this side. It's about 1/4 inch in on each end. That just tells us that the quilt is straight all the way down on the frame, which is kind of a nice thing to see, because sometimes you think it's straight, but it can kind of go a little bit off to one side or the other. That just enables us to make sure that it's in the right place. Nobody wants a quilt that when you bind it, it hangs crooked or it looks twisted. A little bit of a different view today. We're kind of getting it further away so you can see the quilt top more clearly. It's not just focusing on the little bit of the frame of it. You can see almost the whole way across. Nice bit of circular pattern on a geometric line quilt because it kind of breaks up the pattern and adds a lot of interest to the quilt itself. Joyquilts, joyquilts.com, joyquilts@hotmail.com, Facebook and Instagram.